you know what you're searching for? That's small one stuff. And their dummies.
There's no distance. What about this one?
Let's go. So you guys not get in there until I'm done with my own.
This one, jogger, hoodie.
Colourful shirt and black trousers. Colourful shirt and black trousers. Colourful shirt and black trousers. Okay, this is pajamas.
Mini stuff is there.
Pajamas mirror.
Let's go.
Colourful shirt and black trousers. That's the last thing.
So much to do. I have one. I have another one. I have another one. It's complete. Stand up.
Together.
Oh, so the first clothes is a jeans. The jeans and Waw Task. I think everything together. Wait, chill. Two of them are together.
Got two sharps. Arrange it well. Arrange the soap well.
Put the cap in there.
It was there, man. Go and share. Oh my God.
Holy shit. Oh, you guys didn't take the World Cup out this thing. Oh yeah, the shirt. Real quick, bro.
10 seconds to 10.
Almost at
10.
Yeah, we're almost at 10. 10 seconds to 10, bro.
Yeah, Agbaja. That's the abaya.
What?
That's the female.
So we're going to introduce Shex, the very first fashion model. He's basically putting on, just a normal senator style. Nothing out of the ordinary, but something swanky. He's styling it up with a bit of kicks. He has the Ashoke cap, and then he has the glasses because now.
The inspiration behind this style is basically wow, to give the wow factor.
The wedding gown has a little bit of excesses every now and then. It's going to get uncomfortable after a while, and Fina definitely would sweat. Maybe the jealous ex of her new husband or, some envious friends might just want to stain her white. But trust me, with Wow multi-use detergent, there is no amount of stain that will come to Fina's white that will not wash off.
Team Dazzling, wow. Congratulations. Yes. JG, Daniela, Cheesy, Gilly Fire.